What's up, my oh so beautiful people? Today we're going to be talking about how you can manage your money better in 2020 and beyond. Today we're going to go over a simple formula, a simple step for you to do to manage your money better. If you like anything I say, or you see something on a whiteboard that you like, you know what, I wasn't doing that before, or oh, I forgot about this tip, or that was a good, add on to what I'm doing, please like this video. Please share it with friends, family, and loved ones. And then, check out my other videos on my YouTube channel. I have a lot about personal finance, starting a business, real estate. I feel like I got some good, information on there. So please do me a favor. If you like anything throughout this video, please like the video and share it. And then if you want to look at other videos, make sure you check out my other videos on my YouTube channel and consider subscribing to my channel. All right, enough with all that. Let's get into it. Okay, now the first thing you want to do is pull out a sheet of paper, a notebook, your iPad, pencil, whatever you have, and I want you to draw a line down and put your income on one side and then expenses on the other side. Okay, again, draw a line down the middle. We're going to do income on one side, expenses on the other side. In order for you to get better with your money, you have to know where your money is coming from and where it's going, okay? If you do not know where your money is coming from, how can you know how much money you actually make, right? How do you know, how much your side hustle is bringing in, how much your steady 9-to-5 paycheck is bringing in, how much your investments is bringing in, which we'll talk about that. But also when your money leaves your pocket, right? How do you know how much money is leaving out for your rent, for your, power, gas, water bills, and things like that? So make sure that you put a line down the middle, income and expenses, and then we're going to go through them. In this example, I kind of made up a scenario, and I'm going to show you this is exactly how I break down my, money management. So I'm just going to start plugging some numbers in here and let you guys follow through. So this scenario, every month I will get paid $4,972.82, okay, in this scenario. Now, that doesn't include side hustles, dividends, investments, and we're going to leave that out right now. We're going to keep it real basic, okay? And then for my expenses column, I just write down all the expenses, which are my monthly occurring bills, right? We have groceries, we have one-offs like night out with friends and going on a trip, but we're going to leave those out and really focus on the basics and how to build this, money management system. Okay, so we have the power bill, which is, electric at $50, gas at $20, garbage at $51.70, water at $84, Wi-Fi at $50, cell phone bill at $160, and mortgage at $1,936.57, right? And that's per month. So when you add that together, the total is going to be, for the month, we're going to do total equals $2,352.27, okay? So in this brief example, right, the first way of breaking down your income and your expenses, what I would like for you to do is put your own income in the income column, right, and add it up and do per month, okay? And then put your monthly occurring expenses in the other column, and then you want to do your total, right? So when you add all these expenses up for the month, your total payout for the month is going to be this number, right? Make sure you get your total. And then since you only have one form of income, and again, you can put as many you want in here, you want to make sure you put the total, at the bottom, okay? So that's the first thing you should do when you're managing your money. know where your money is coming in from, and then know where your money is going in your expenses that you're paying per month. Now that you have your income and you know your monthly income and you know your monthly expenses, now if you want to know how much your cost of living for the year is, all you have to do is times that by 12, right? You know your expenses is $2,352.27 in this example. So you want to times that by 12 months. That's going to equals $28,227.36. Again, this is kind of pretty simple math here. It's not rocket science. It's not, these crazy equations. It's just simply learning how to manage your money the right way. And it does take these simple steps, but it also takes you doing these steps in order to really understand and realize your manage your money. Okay, so the same thing with your paycheck. You bring in $4,972.82 after taxes. Okay, this is your net, like your monthly income after taxes are taken out. This is what hits your account every month. So you times that by 12, and that's what you're going to give you $59,673.84. That's your net income for the year. Okay? So now that you know your expenses and you know your income, that's going to total $31,446.48 of extra money you can do or you have for the rest of the year. Okay? In this scenario, again. And I know a lot of people don't have this much money, and hopefully you all can see these numbers. I know it's very light. I have to use darker markers. But now you can take this money and invest it, go out and have a certain percentage to going out and having fun, have a certain percentage into gifts and charity. But now you know and you understand the very basics of your income. You know that in this example, use your own example. That's why we wrote this down here. That $28,227.36 is your total expenses for the year. So if you're looking to, quit your 9 to 5, or you're looking to become an entrepreneur, or you're looking to, get a side gig that's going to pay for your expenses so you can invest more, this is the number that you have to achieve. Again, whatever your number is for the year, right? So if you take on a, Amazon package delivery job, you know that you need to make $28,227.36 a year in order to cover your yearly expenses, right? And that goes for Uber Eats, that goes for a ride share like Uber and Lyft. You know that this is your number, right? So again, this is the simple breakdown on how to manage your money in 2020 and beyond. I use this all the time, and this is how I manage my money. Very simple, very clean, and easy to manage. And then, like I said before, you can add on into your income, like, dividend from your investments, peer-to-peer lending, interest that you receive from your investments. And that's just going to add on to your income column. With this example in the background, I hope you all enjoyed that. Please, if you learned anything or was like, wow, that was so simple, please like this video and consider subscribing. But one thing that I want to talk about in this whole equation is that the best way to, retire early and the best way to really be smart with your money is living below your means, right? When you do this simple equation, you truly know where your money is going and how much money you need to make. I always tell a lot of people that sometimes it's not about, quitting a job. It's about adding on more income. It's about adding on more jobs in order to fund your lifestyle, right? Some people, yearly expenses is more than this, right? And that means you just have to simply increase your income or lower your expenses every month, every year in order to balance out and live financially, independent, right? Or financial freedom, because you know that your income covers your expenses every year and it's not a stressor, right? I mean, look at this. You pretty much have double of your expenses after you pay it, right? So you know that you could put this amount away into a savings account, or you could put this amount away into the high yield savings account and just, set it on auto pay and let it do its thing. So thank you, my beautiful people, for checking in and checking out this video. I hope it helped. I know it's very basic. We can get into more detail if you like. Please leave a question in the comment below of what more you would like to learn with this tool here on how to manage your money in 2020 and beyond. And I will answer them in the comments below, and I'll consider making another video based on the comments you leave in the comment box. So please go check out the comment section and leave your thoughts below. But thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.